and they basically poop back the seed, and that becomes like a natural seed for all the nutrition in it. It will start growing up. So majority of the seeds are actually grown in the same seed. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ what you are seeing behind me right now, can anybody identify what is this?
Not
It's a
neem.
sandal.
Sandalwood.
That is why we Karnataka had a name called the land of sandalwood, Gandharpuri anta we used to call up. So this is the tree. Okay. But because of movies and because of other multiple reasons, they have just exaggerated it. But ಅವ್ರು ತೋರಿಸ್ದಂಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆನೂ ಗಂಧ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನೋದೆಲ್ಲ ಸುಳ್ಳು. Even if you observe, somebody broke a lot of part of these things thinking that they might get gandha in it, but yeah, underground, you're right. So ಒಂದು ಮರ ಗಂಧ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ it has to grow around more than 50 years to 150 years. That's the age level. And that all wood what we want to use is not available on the top, it's available in the underground. Only in the root levels. ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ನೀವು ಏನೇ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿ, even if you take up a leaf and smell, you don't get a single smell from it. It's only in the underground. Only after years and years and years, people will have to basically remove the whole tree and then they have to take up the cover. So even this tree is also not planted by anybody. These are all the contribution of birds. Yeah, this is actually in a shooting stage right now. A small flower comes in. After that, a small fruit would be coming in, and then after that, the birds come, eat, and they start spreading up. But one beautiful thing about sandal is ಬೇರೆ ಟ್ರೀಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ನೆಲದೊಳಗಡೆ ರೂಟ್ ಹಾಕಿ ಆ ರೂಟಿಂದ ನ್ಯೂಟ್ರಿಷನ್ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ ದೇ ಗ್ರೋ. ಬಟ್ ಸ್ಯಾಂಡಲ್ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಡೂ ದ್ಯಾಟ್. ಇದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟರ್ನಲ್ ಪ್ಯಾರಸೈಟ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ, ವಿಚ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ದೇ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ ಆನ್ ಅನ್ ಅದರ್ ಸ್ಪೀಶೀಸ್ ಟು ಸರ್ವೈವ್. If a sandal is there should be a healthy tree within the surrounding, and the root of this tree will get connected to the root of the other tree. And then they pick up nutrition from that tree, and then these guys will grow. So any sandal plantation, if you observe, one sandal idre adu sutta mutta there will be other species of fruit bearing trees. So ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅದನ್ನ external parasite ಅಂತ ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದಿದೆ, there is one behind there is one right behind on the other side also. So now all of these guys are depending on this tree. And you can see one tall tree behind that, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ leaf in the top there. That is also another species of a sandal called red sandal, Rakta Chandana anta kare. That's the